Hey guys, so today's video is going to be showing 3 new squishies. Let's get to the video. So the first squishy is going to be this yellow bun. So as you can see it, there's a little pink cheek here. Let's squish it. So as you can see, this is very squishy, and I love squishy so much. So I don't know why. Yeah. So this squishy is somebody bite this squishy in half. I'm just kidding. There's nobody bite it, but they just want to look cool, so they just like cut open, but it still look great. Yeah. It's not kind of squishy, so I'll give this a 5 out of 10. I don't know why. So the last squishy is going to be this yellow donut with chocolate frosting, so you can see it. So it seems like this one, but they both are different colors. And comments down below which one is your favorite. And also, please give this video a like and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Bye.